Hello, everyone in Cyberland. This is Carla from the Learn English by Speaking English show, and I am here to teach you how to set a time for the show. Now, the important thing is you want to target the people that you want to teach or you want to coach teaching English. It's so easy to do. You can do it. Think you live in that time zone. So you need to find a time that works good. Like if you live in the United States, you would want to set a time zone that would be good for you, maybe evening time. And actually, because of what we're looking at, we want to expand the Speak English Foundation page to all over the world. You need to think of what is good in your country. I know in the United States, evening time is better than doing it midday. But because my show was targeted for Pakistan and India and the Middle East, I'm doing it midday because for them it's in the evening time for them. In Pakistan, my show is at 10 p.m. at night. In India, it's at 10:30 p.m. at night. In Israel and Palestine, the show is at 7 o'clock. No, 8 p.m. at night. In Europe, it's at 7 p.m. So it depends where you are and who you want to target. And that's how you decide the time. If you're targeting people in the United States who may need to learn to speak English, you may want to change that time. We want these programs going on 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So you don't need to do it when I do it. You need to do it when it's best for you. I have someone from Brazil who has started a show. He does it in the evening time. So they get it in Pakistan in the morning. Perfectly fine. We target the time according to the place the people live. And it's easy to do, and you guys can do it. Have a great day, and now we are going to learn how to find students. And see you soon. Bye.